So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernal sa PH Property by DMCI Homes. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here the 2-bedroom ni Allegra Garden Place. So papakita ko sa inyo yung isang bare unit niya. So tara. So once we have entered here, so ito yung makikita natin. So we could put our dining area here. So nandito ang ating kitchen. So makikita naman natin ang mga kitchen cabinets. Napaka-generous ni DMCI Homes. And all of these are included once turnover na sa inyo. And nandito ang ating awning windows. Yan, and nandito yung kitchen sink. So once we're going here, yan, nandito yung ating sala entertainment system nandito. So nandito naman ang ating bathroom area, which is napakaganda rin kasi yung granite countertop finish niya, napaka smooth nung pagkabibigay nila niya. Yung the lavatory and the toilet and bowl and the shower set. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa provision ng washing machine area na meron. So for the 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom, these are available. So ano na siya, depende niya sa inyo kung gusto nyo siyang gawing storage area. Kasi meron naman tayong laundry station sa baba. And here guys, this is the bedroom 2. So makikita natin dito yung window niya. Napakalaki na compared to other projects of DMCI Homes. So dito natin lalagay ang ating working table, cabinet, kung ano yung gusto natin gawin. Then this is the bed. And the provision for this unit is split type aircon. And this is the bedroom 1 or the master's bedroom. Queen size bed would fit here. So yung cabinet natin nandito. Entertainment system natin nandito. Yung TV natin, kung gusto natin manood, pwede rin natin siya lagay dito. And this is the balcony area. So spacious balcony na meron tayo dito kay Allegra Garden Place. So mas lalo siyang lumaki dahil naka-glass balcony na siya. So, kitang-kita naman yung mismong space na meron tayo dito. So, kung i-compare natin sa kabila, kay Prisma, naka-grill type siya. So, this one is glass balcony. So, guys, if you have any questions about this unit, yan, makikita naman natin sa ating description ang aking contact details. So, ito guys, this is my page property by DMCI Homes. Ang aking contact details nandito. And please do like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel para ma-update kayo sa mga new and update na meron na may bibigay sa inyo. So guys, ingat kayo palagi and have a great day ahead and God bless.